Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question is the melting point of AlF3 is 104 degree Celsius and that of SiF4 is minus 77 degree Celsius. So we have to tell because of which of the reason. So we will read each and every option, then we will answer the question. So the first option is saying there is a very large difference in the ionic character of AlF and SiF. Now, as we know, AlF, now aluminium is from the group number 13 and silicon is from the group number 14. Silicon is from the group number 14. So we cannot say there is going to be the very large difference between their ionic character because they are from the adjacent group. So this option is not going to be true. Coming to the second option, that is option number B, which is saying the in AlF3 aluminium plus 3 interact with very strongly with the neighboring F minus ion to give a three-dimensional structure, but SiF4 no such interaction is possible. Now this option number B is the correct answer for this question because we can see aluminium fluoride is ionic in nature. That means this AlF3 is basically ionic in nature, where we can say that there is a aluminium which is having the large cation. So large aluminium cation which has a vacant d orbital, which has vacant d orbital, and due to that it attains a coordinate number of 6. It attains a coordination number of 6 towards the relatively very small size of fluorine, relatively small fluorine atom, and due to this there is a three-dimensional structure which is obtained for this compound, and due to this AlF3 का यहाँ पे जो melting point होता है काफी ज़्यादा high रहता है. So we can say that it is having very high melting point. But this case is not going to be true in the basically our SiF4. So SiF4 के केस में ऐसा केस हमारा ट्रू नहीं होता है, but this is not true, but not same in SiF4. So that is the reason option number B is going to be the correct answer for this question. We can also read the other option, like option number C is the silicon ion in the tetrahedral SiF4 molecule is not shielded effectively from the fluoride ion, whereas AlF3 the Al plus 3 ion is shielded on the all side. This is not going to be true because shieldings का यहाँ पे ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा दोनों में. Even in the fourth option, the attractive force between the SiF4 molecules are strong, whereas those between the AlF3 molecule is weak, which is basically false because AlF3 में ionic bonds है तो यहाँ पे तो अपना strong रहेगा और SiF4 में weak रहेगा. So basically the correct option for this question is our option number B. So the correct answer option number B. I hope you understood it well. Thank you.